Hello there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a logo with AI for free. So for this, I'm here on bing.com/images/create. So now here, you need to add a prompt here. So I will just add that I want a very decent logo for my candle business named Blossom. Once you're done, click on create and it will start creating. So it will take few seconds and then it will generate almost 4 images like this. Now from here you can customize it. If I click on it, so there we have 4 options like share, save, download and customize. So if you want to customize it, you can click on it. So in order to download, simply click on download. Now let's go to canva.com and here in design spotlight, there you will find different options. So let's say we want to customize a business card for our business. Now here you need to click on create a business card, and once you click, it will take you to the next page of creating. Now here you can customize your business card. In the left side you will find different templates of business cards. You can choose according to your preference. And now from here you can customize each and every part of this card. Let's say we want to add our logo here. So delete this one and now go to uploads. So I already uploaded that logo that we just downloaded from bing.com. Okay, so now the image is placed. Now here in element section you need to search for circle frame. Now you need to click on frames here. Click on frames and choose the first one with circle. Now drag the image on the circle and it will be added in this frame, and now you can adjust its position and also its size. So in this way you can create logo with AI for free. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.